Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SushiSwap. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that SushiSwap has broken out another falling wedge pattern, and this was one of those videos. And now, if we move to the live chart, this is by the way a 7 days time frame chart, and here you can see that previously it was moving inside this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. By the way, it was entered inside this wedge in the month of November 2020, and after getting squeezed inside this falling wedge pattern, finally we broke it out, and after that from the month of March 2024 up till the month of September 2024, it has been moving inside in another smaller falling wedge pattern. And at the same time, if I remove all these trend lines, then it will be more visible. You can see that it has also formed a very, very huge double bottom pattern as well. Like this was the first bottom here at this long-term support of 48 cents, and now it has formed the second bottom. And right now the price line is trying to break out this key resistance zone, very strong and long-term resistance zone. That starts from 85 cents and goes to 94 cents. And previously this resistance zone has been working as a support zone here for several months. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into resistance here, support here, and now for the past several weeks, it is working as a resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for YGG, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade signal I shared a few hours ago, almost 24 hours ago with my members. And you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very massive pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of SushiSwap. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several months, since after the month of March, even Feb, when we had a bounce from the support here, it was moving inside this falling wedge pattern. But after the breakout, the price line could not break out this long-term resistance zone. That starts from 85 cents and goes to 94 cents. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then it will be more visible. You can see that for the past several weeks or months, it is working as a resistance. Before that, this resistance zone was working as a support zone here for several months. And before that, it was working as a resistance here. And before that, for several months, from the month of May 2022 up to the month of May 2023, for almost a year, it has been working as a very, very strong and long-term support. Therefore, again, it is working as a very strong resistance. And I'm expecting that as soon as it breaks out this resistance, it can hit the target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern. That target will be here. That will be approximately at $2.16. And by the way, before that, from $1.60 to $2, we will have another quite long-term resistance zone that was previously working as a resistance zone here and resistance zone here. And for several weeks a month, it has been working it as a resistance zone here as well. And at the same time, the price line is also forming a very, very huge double bottom pattern as well. Therefore, this time after the breakout, I'm expecting that it can start a very, very massive pump. But this point of rejection or this resistance zone will be really very significant in order to start a very, very massive move. First, we will need to break out this resistance zone. Then this will be a very strong long-term resistance zone. Now, if you take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern, that move is still due. That target can be at the top of the wedge. That can be somewhere between $23 to $25. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.